Milk Frother, handheld USB rechargeable foam maker electric frother with 2 stainless whisks, 3-speed adjustable durable blender for bulletproof coffee, lattes, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. Eco-friendly USB rechargeable milk frother. This frother is built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery. Unlike most other AA or AAA battery-powered milk and egg mixer, you don't need to buy more batteries and change them frequently. This electric whisk has USB ports. You can charge it anywhere and anytime with your power bank, phone charger, computer, etc. 3-speed adjustable. Get milk foam quickly. This electric milk frother powered by highly efficient motor. It spins the food-grade 304 stainless steel whisk at 6,000 9,000 13,000 RPM. Produce creamy froth in just 15-20 seconds, no delay at all. Powerful motor brings you soft and smooth taste experience. Great gift for your friends and family. Our milk frother will bring coffee lover a pleasant tongue taste experience every time. Premium product with elegant looking. This milk foam maker uses advanced mixing pulse technology, which is low in noise and more durable. Beautifully styled in black to fit into any kitchen and look elegant. Simply press the button to turn on/off. Easily make foam for coffee, all type milks, cream, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. Easy to use, clean and store. It is lightweight and has ergonomically designed soft touch handle, easy to hold. Just press the on/off button and choose the rotate speed you need. Start to make foam. Then put it into the water and keep on after use, and you will get the cleanly machine within tens. It can stand on the table or countertop by itself without any stand. Worry-free purchase. We love and take pride in our milk frother, and we back this up with a lifetime guarantee. Have the confidence that this electric whisk will last. If there are ever any issues, please contact us and we will make you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.